Hey everyone, and welcome back to my GK Health Passport. Now I know a lot of you are incredible healthcare professionals from all over the world, dreaming of working in the UK. And let me tell you, that dream is totally achievable. The UK has so many amazing opportunities for passionate people like you. In this video, we're going to dive deep into how you can kickstart your career as a support worker in mental health care hospitals right here in the UK. We'll cover everything from understanding the role itself to visa sponsorship, salaries, and even a list of hospitals actively hiring overseas workers. So buckle up, get comfy, and let's get started. So, you might be asking, what exactly does a support worker in mental health care do? Well, it's a really important role where you become a source of strength and support for people facing mental health challenges. Imagine being there for someone on their journey to recovery, helping them with their day-to-day activities, offering a listening ear, and providing emotional support. That's what being a support worker is all about. You'll be working closely with nurses, doctors, and other healthcare professionals in various settings like hospitals, care homes, or even out in the community. Every day is different, and you'll be making a real difference in people's lives. It's a career that requires empathy, patience, and a genuine desire to help others. But let me tell you, the feeling of knowing you've made a positive impact on someone's life is incredibly rewarding. Now, the UK is facing a growing need for dedicated support workers in mental health care, which means there are fantastic job opportunities out there, especially within the NHS and private hospitals. So, if you're passionate about mental health and want to make a real difference, keep watching because we're about to explore why working in the UK as a support worker could be the perfect move for you. Now let's talk about why you should seriously consider a career as a support worker in the UK. Firstly, and this is huge, many hospitals are actively offering visa sponsorship to overseas workers. That's right, they'll help you through the entire process of relocating and getting settled in the UK. Secondly, the salary is competitive. You can expect to earn a starting salary of around £21,000 to £25,000 per year, which is a great starting point for building a comfortable life here. And it's not just about the present, it's about your future too. The UK healthcare system really values career progression. With experience and further qualifications, you can climb the ladder to become a healthcare assistant or even a registered nurse. The possibilities are there for you to grab, but it's not all work and no play. The UK understands the importance of work-life balance, especially in demanding fields like healthcare. You'll have a structured work schedule, allowing you to enjoy your time off, explore this beautiful country, and recharge your batteries. And let's not forget, working in the NHS means you'll be part of one of the most respected and well-structured healthcare systems in the world. You'll have access to excellent training, support, and opportunities for professional development. Okay. So by now you're probably eager to know which hospitals are actively on the lookout for talented overseas support workers. Well, let me give you a head start with a list of some fantastic options. First up, we have the Priory Group. They're renowned for their specialist mental health facilities all across the UK, and they're known for welcoming international professionals. Next, there's Signet Healthcare. They offer a diverse range of mental health services and are very open to sponsoring visas for the right candidates. Elysium Healthcare is another leading provider of mental health services in the UK. They have a strong commitment to providing compassionate care and often have vacancies for support workers. And of course, we can't forget about the NHS mental health trusts. These trusts are spread throughout the UK, with some great examples being Oxford Health, Birmingham and Solihull Mental Health NHS Foundation Trust, and many more. Do check their websites for the latest openings. Another fantastic option is St Andrew's Healthcare. They're a large mental health charity with a fantastic reputation and often have sponsorship opportunities available. Remember, this is just a starting point. I highly recommend visiting the official websites of these hospitals and any others that pique your interest. Look for their careers sections, browse current vacancies, and get a feel for their application requirements. Alright, so you've found some hospitals you're interested in. Now, let's break down the application process step by step. First things first, you need a stellar CV. Make sure it highlights your healthcare experience, skills, and any qualifications you have that are relevant to mental health support. Once your CV is ready to go, it's time to start hunting for job openings. The best places to look are online job boards like NHS Jobs, Indeed, and of course, directly on the websites of the hospitals you're interested in. Found a job that feels like a good fit? Great! Now it's time to submit your application online. Make sure you include all the required documents and tailor your cover letter to each specific role. If your application is successful, the next step is usually an interview. For overseas candidates, these interviews are often conducted virtually, which is super convenient. And finally, if you're offered the job and accepted, the hospital will guide you through the visa process. They'll sponsor your skilled worker visa, which is specifically designed for skilled workers coming to the UK. Now, I know you're all eager to get started on this exciting journey, but before you dive into those applications, let's take a quick look at the typical eligibility criteria for overseas support workers. Firstly, you'll generally need a background in healthcare or a related field like caregiving. This shows that you have some experience in providing care and support to others. Secondly, good English language skills are essential. You'll be communicating with patients, families, and colleagues, so being able to understand and be understood is crucial. You might be asked to provide proof of your English proficiency through tests like IELTS or OET. Thirdly, having relevant certifications or prior work experience specifically in mental health care will definitely strengthen your application. This demonstrates a genuine interest and commitment to this area of healthcare. And lastly, and perhaps most importantly, you need to have a genuine passion for mental health support. This line of work is incredibly rewarding, but it also requires empathy, patience, and a true desire to make a difference in the lives of those facing mental health challenges.
Now, let's be real for a moment. Moving to a new country and starting a new career is a big adventure. And like any adventure, it comes with its own set of challenges. You might encounter cultural differences, find yourself adapting to a new healthcare system, and of course, there's the natural feeling of missing home and loved ones. But trust me, these challenges are surmountable, and the rewards are immense. So, to help you navigate those challenges and thrive in your new environment, I've got a few tips for you. Firstly, stay positive. Embrace the learning curve and see the challenges as opportunities for growth. Remember, every experience, both big and small, shapes who we are. Secondly, don't be afraid to seek support. Connect with other overseas workers, join online communities, or reach out to support organizations. Sharing experiences and advice can make all the difference. And lastly, never stop upskilling yourself. The UK healthcare system encourages continuous learning. Take advantage of training opportunities, pursue additional certifications, and always strive to enhance your knowledge and skills. This will not only make you a more competent professional, but also open up even more doors for career progression.
So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to kickstarting your career as a support worker in mental health care in the UK. If you're feeling that spark of excitement, that pull towards this amazing opportunity, don't hesitate to take that first step. Remember those hospitals we talked about? Head over to their websites, explore their vacancies, and start picturing yourself working in the UK. You are capable, you are needed, and the UK is ready to welcome you with open arms. So what are you waiting for? Your UK adventure awaits! Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, share it with your friends who might also be interested, and subscribe to my GK Health Passport for more amazing content just like this. Until next time, take care and keep dreaming big. Thank you so much for joining me on this exciting journey today. Remember, your dreams are valid, your aspirations are achievable, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. Now go out there, seize those opportunities, and make your mark on the world. See you in the next video.